Hello everyone and welcome to phase 2, that is programming with TensorFlow. Today in chapter number 10 we are going to write a program to calculate the distance traveled by an object using the equation of motion s equals ut plus half at square. I found this really nice website called Calculator Soup. You can use this website to find out the answers just to verify. The displacement calculator finds the distance traveled or the displacement of an object using its initial velocity u, acceleration a, and time traveled t. The equation used is s equals ut plus half at square. Moving on, we are going to work on this program today. The object started with an initial velocity of 50 meters per second and is moving with a constant acceleration of 40 meter per second square. Time is a variable and can be fed by the user at runtime. These are the lines of code which we will implement using Jupyter Notebook. Again, similar set of reading resources. If at any case I find new links, these will be added. Okay, so here we are, chapter 10, equation of distance including width block. Now this is something new. As we have already discussed, we are going to implement the equation of motion s equals ut plus half at square. I've changed these values from 40 and 50 that look too generic. I've made it 35 meters per second, and that will be the initial velocity, and the acceleration as 28 meter per second square. Let's get started with the first line of code. Import TensorFlow as TF. Now we are making use of something called a width block. I'll let you know what that is. After that, we are going to make a constant with the name a, in which the value is 28, which signifies an acceleration of 28 meters per second square. After that, we have another instance called u, which is a constant which has the value 35, and the meaning is 35 meters per second. That is the initial velocity. Let me run that as well. Finally, we are going to create a placeholder called t, and here time is a variable and can be fed by the user at runtime. Let me run this line of code as well. Finally, I've written down the equation of distance s equals u star t plus half equals 0.5 star a star t, and to square the time we'll have to use 2 times star. Let me run this line of code. Finally, this I had done previously. Let me run it again. Ask for the input. Let me use 12 seconds. And then I'm going to use my dictionary saying whatever is inside time should be fed into t. What we're trying to say is that I want to run as ses equals tf.session, and after that this is the value that I want to calculate. Instead of separately writing ses.run, what we are doing is we are running the session, feeding it the parameters of s, wherein all of these values are known by now except of t. How are we finding t? Using my dictionary. Using feed underscore dict, we are going to pass the value which is present inside t. And finally, we're going to print whatever exists as a number inside distance in meters. So let me run this. There you go. That is the answer. I hope that you enjoyed today's session as well. I'll see you again with more content. Till then, you have a good day. Bye.